Hello class and welcome to Module 3. I'm just going to take a few minutes to go over the things that you're going to be doing this week. So first let's discuss the readings. This week you'll be reading Chapter 3 in the Critical Thinking book. This book will cover definitions, types of evidence. So let's first talk about what it discusses in the first part of the chapter is ethos, pathos, and logos, which is important, and definition. Now, some of you might be wondering, why is definition important? Well, there are complex ideas, and sometimes you, the writer, and your readers may not be on the same page for complex ideas such as family and love. Your definition might be different from your reader's definition. And if you're trying to establish an argument and to persuade your readers, you both want to be on the same page of what these terms mean. So please look over that section of the chapter. Another important section of the chapter is the various forms of evidence. Now, many students tell me data when I ask them to show evidence, but there's actually other types of evidence. Example, expert testimony, and last but not least, yes, data. But data is a more complex term. It can carry charts, it can carry surveys. So look at the different types of evidence that this chapter is trying to convey with you, so that when it's time for you to establish a strong argument, you know the various types of evidence that you can use in your essay. Okay? This now leads me to the other book that we use, They Say, I Say. Now, in They Say, I Say, the chapter you're reading is 16. Now, as I stated, data can be a very complex form of evidence. It's not a bad form of evidence, but it's complex. You cannot just simply throw numbers and charts and surveys to readers and expect them to understand. Okay? If you're going to use that to support your argument, then chapter 16 gives you templates that can help you kind of translate that type of evidence for your reader. Okay? That is the reading this week. In addition to your reading, you'll be doing a discussion board with your classmates on the article Violent Media is Good for Kids, which is on pages 199 to 202. You have your essay due, and you have a quiz to do. Well, that is the breakdown for Module 3. Remember, I'm an email away. Good night.